So the new wellness kits that doTERRA has just released on October 1st, there's 3 different options: the immunity option, the mind and mood, and the relief kit. I'm going to talk about the mind and mood kit now. This one I'm super excited about. This has got literally everything I use every day to support my emotional health. And I just think that this is a beautifully curated kit. If you struggle with sad feelings, or just a lot of tension and a lot of stress, who doesn't right now, right? It's crazy. This is a really, really supportive way to move forward. I love this kit. So the things, it comes like this. This is month 1. Again, I've cut mine already. So this on the inside is upside down, tells you how to use the things that are contained inside kit 1. So kit 1 has, drum roll, adaptive capsules. I take one of these every day. This is an incredibly supportive, soothing supplement. This has just been honestly a huge game changer for me. I cannot say enough about it. You're also going to get an adaptive touch roller. Again, use it every day. I roll it on my wrist. I just love the way that it smells. It's just such a beautiful, lovely, supportive oil. And then a bottle of balance oil. This is great for either making your own roller bottle, adding it to a diffuser, or just using it directly on your skin. That's also an acceptable way to use it. Love, love, love. Balance was probably my first love when it comes to essential oils. This is just a fantastic blend. And then the special gift that you get, because each one of these kits, every month you get a unique special gift, is a little travel size Balance deodorant. I am obsessed with this non-toxic deodorant. It's aluminum free. It is so good, so effective. If you have tried any other natural deodorant, you know it's a really frustrating experience. And you've probably gone back to the chemical laden variety. Try this one. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. I'm going to share my screen and show you how to get started with the relief kit and show you what the extra freebies are. So we're in our shop tab. Once you've logged in, we're going to go directly to wellness programs. We're going to scroll down to Mind and Mood. This is such a great program. And then, so you can see also what's in kit 2 as well as what's in kit 3. So, and you get it comes in a recyclable container. Instead of the neoprene case every month. So you won't have 3 neoprene cases unless you do the program 3 times. Again, it's a fantastic price point. This is such a great value for what you're getting. And then you have the option to customize and add on up to 3 additional items. So in the case of the Mind and Mood kit, you can add on Steady, which is our kids' grounding blend. So this is like the kids' version of Balance. Adults can use it too. The Thinker blend, which is the kids' focus blend. Copaiba soft gels, Serenity soft gels, and then you can add on another bottle of adaptive capsules if there's someone else in your family who would benefit from adaptive. Consider adding on another bottle of capsules for them. So this is a great way to, so when you add this to your loyalty rewards, once that processes, it's going to default within your loyalty rewards to month 2, and then after month 2, it's going to change to month 3. So you just have to add this once and then forget about it, and it's awesome. I'm so excited for this. If you have any questions about it, please reach out to me. I love to support you in all things healthy and helping keep moving forward.